It's Elijah from Fort Walton, Florida, and you're watching the Daily Grind.
I see a sky with a rainy car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving.
We're off so freaking shitty. It's a Monday too, which is usually my favorite day. But look what we have in front of us. The cops are here. Usually I'm pretty calm and collected, right? I just want to get things done. I want to get work done. In this case, it's like I always try to leave them out of everything and try to handle it internally or with the community directly. But look, there's a point when you're basically stealing money directly from our family. Like we put so much money into everything we do and time, and for people to just steal things from us, it's not okay. You can see Thomas is right there working. We're working. The guys are working at Tuna Crate, working so hard. For someone just to blatantly steal from us, you know, it's kind of fucked up. Okay, lady officer's leaving now. This is what happened. We have these signs that we put up on the lawn, and it's to help market the company. You guys know, first time ever doing a business that's not online based, so it's kind of scary. And as you guys can see, we're doing tons of construction, things that I'm not familiar with, but we're willing to invest the time and money into this. And someone from Friday took the signs straight from the lawn. I mean, ironically, they took the word escape and not the word room. It's to spite us, and I don't really know if it's like, I wouldn't even call them fans, but people who watch my YouTube channel, you know, and me being like, I don't know, what would we call them, like public figures or figures of the internet? People know what we're doing all the time, and this is kind of what happened. And for me, the way I look at it is my family, we put money into this. My daughter's money, my wife's money, my money, the team's money, because the amount of money and time that we have to use to replace that is money and funding that would go to the team, because we do company events and we do snack bars for them and we try to take care of them. But now whoever did it, whoever you are, decided to take it from us. And now, you know, we're kind of like, okay, well, I'll just spend the money and put up another sign because we need a market. So here's the thing. The police are here. There's cameras, there's footage. I told them that we want to press charges, whoever it is, but I want them to talk to me first. So the report will be filed, and I have the ultimate say in either in court or on the paperwork to actually push forward. So if someone did take the signs, if you guys can just bring it back, no questions asked, just put it back on the lawn. Like, it says escape room again because we put another one up, and that was supposed to be for another location. But if you happen to have time, just put it back on the lawn, or even leave it at our door, or even bring it to Tuna Crate. Like, I'm not gonna press charges on you guys. We just want it back. So the money that we spent, the time we spent to, is recovered. Anyone with any information, just DM me or snap me. I appreciate it. But the last thing I want to do is, you know, get someone else in trouble just for like a little prank, something stupid. But I don't want to, you know, waste our money and our time and our crew working so hard. So if you guys know who it is, let me know. The cops already did everything they needed, and so I don't want to, you know, make this a bigger deal than it should be. That's all I got to say about that. But in the meantime, let's just recover. Let's get back to work.
Dude, what's up? What's up? I have to work. We can drift later, okay? We can drift later. Sit down. Okay, we'll drift later. I love you. Spraying.
What the world are we doing? We are painting the windows. That's what we're doing. Why? And it's black. Windows are dark. Okay, give me your bag, baby.
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Stop dropping by with the dash on balls. Nigga wanna hate, but you late, wanna break, but the pack on balls.
Come here. The camera, come here. Come here. Papa did something embarrassing. Come here. I did something embarrassing. Come here. No, come here. I'll show. Let me show them. Come here. That's a camera. Yes. How about you? Let me show you. What's this? Hey, when you guys are fathers, you'll understand what I'm talking about. What's wrong with this picture? You girls that are watching will probably know. You tell them what's wrong? No, not buy it. I put her dress on backwards. But you boys, tell me. I mean, there's buttons in the front, right? Logically, wouldn't that kind of make sense to be a shirt? Or, I mean, a dress? But nope. Girls want to put buttons on the back for some reason. Okay, let's put it on the correct way.
Bye.
Bye.
Ah.
You ready to go? Let me see your red shoes. Let me see your red shoes, girl. No?
Who's that? Hello, who's that?
Mama decided to give you a lollipop. That happened to be blue. Yes, baby. Pick one, Aaliyah. Pick one. Which one? This one? Oh. How about this one? Oh, yes. You like? I like that Subaru. Or in the Victoria Gardens, City of Rancho Cucamonga.
Look, say hi.
Look, say hi. Say hi. You know, it's one of those days where you're like, I just want to sit down, watch Netflix, and not even worry about a thing. It was that type of day. But you know, I have something right here. What's going to make me feel a little bit better today? I've got two friends I want you guys to see. They're going to join me at my desk. Brian O'Connor, Toretto. Now, a big kid at heart, if you guys haven't noticed. Pikachu. My mom knows how much I obsessed over Pikachu when I was a kid. When you guys were probably barely conscious of what Pokemon was. I had Game Boy Color. Game Boy Color. Pocket Edition. You guys want to open this up? I mean, sorry guys. It's just one of those days where I just feel like kind of being super mellow. And I guess toys would just make me feel better. Don't you guys feel that way sometimes? Where you guys get like, you just want to kind of do stuff. Like one time I remember I was so stressed out. I watched Disney shows. Some of you OGs of my channel remember I'll drive by this place in the city of Costa Mesa, Santa Ana, and this building always triggers bad memories. And it was a point where I had a really shitty job, and some of you guys would know the story already. And it was so bad where when I got home, I just wanted to watch Disney movies all day because I was so stressed out. I was fresh out of college. I was trying to be really responsible. The Brian O'Connor. And today's one of those days, hence why I'm like taking my little toys out. I'm not going to fight each other. Brian O'Connor meets Pikachu. His little sidekick. Yo, this Pikachu like barely stands up. His head's too damn big. Is this a Chinese knockoff when it's already from China? Is that possible?
And we got Toretto over here to ruin the day. Woo!
If you guys haven't realized yet, I'm a big ass kid no matter how old I would get. And I remember my mom used to tell me, oh Mike, when you get older, you're not going to be wanting to play with toys anymore. Guess what, Mom? I'm turning 31 on the 1st of September. And I still have toys. And oh, have you seen my Pokemon card collection? So my mom brought these back from the house I grew up in the later years of my teenage years. So I had a lot of Pokemon cards, and I had a lot of like the main ones, right? There's 150 when we first started. I had a lot of them, really cool holographic ones, but I had nephews and nieces that were a bit younger than me, around Sylvie's age, and they cannibalized the crap out of my Pokemon cards because I had it in folders. And now I'm left with like a bunch of trainers and energy cards. And honestly, kind of useless stuff. I mean, if you play a lot, this would probably be better. So all I have are these cards right here. And I don't know if these are anything crazy anymore. It's just been so long since I played. But I know I had really cool cards once upon a time. And it's cool. I mean, the kids were kids and they cannibalized the crap out of my cards. I mean, to be fair, I left to college. And my mom said any money I would get from New Year's or birthdays, I would go and buy these. My mom was like, why are you buying these? Well, oh, Pokeball. Well, Mom, oh, look, is this holographic? A little bit. So, I kind of wish I had all my original cards. And I don't know where they all are, to be honest. Trainer cards. You guys tell me if these are worth anything. Oh, man, there's literally no Pokemon in here. Like, ugh. They all stole my cards. Damn you. trainer cards. Lots of trainer cards. I'm gonna say goodnight. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You guys see my eyes are like slowly drying up and getting sleepy. Tomorrow I'll see you guys at 10 a.m. Lots of fun stuff planned. By the way, it's been about a year since we got this tattoo. I'm gonna make a full review on this tattoo. Very weird, but a lot of people have been asking how's it been holding up after a year. Amazing. Full review coming up. See you next time. Peace out.